Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Rufus. But before we show you how to download Rufus, what is Rufus? Rufus is an open source software which allows you to create bootables with an ISO image of different windows, and you can use it to format your pen drive, whether NTFS or FAT file, and it's very fast and reliable. And more to the point, once you want to use it on Windows, it supports either boot system. We have the MBR or GPT, and the MBR is legacy and GPT is UEFI. With this, it supports any BIOS boot system which we have in Windows. Without further delay, let's show you how to download Rufus. Open your favorite browser, and on the search bar just search Rufus download and click enter. Now once you search for Rufus download, this is just the official link. We have rufus.ie, so just click on it, and this is just the official page. Once we download Rufus, I'll show you how it looks, but before we do that, this is just how Rufus is going to look like. And so to download it, just scroll down, and these are the download links. It's compatible with different platforms: Linux, Ubuntu. It supports many other platforms. You can scroll down here to see the platforms which it supports. But before, we are only showing you how to download it. Now this is just here, this is just the executable file. We have the latest version released here, so that is it. So once you want to download it, this is just click on this, and this is an add page, so just close this, and this is it. So just click on download. Right, so now that our Rufus has been downloaded, so let's just open it and see how Rufus is like. So click on it to open the file location. Now let's open it. Click on yes. Right, so this is how Rufus is like. So let me minimize this. This is just how Rufus look, and if we are having a drive plugged on our PC, it will have been detected here. You can select your ISO file which you want to create the bootable here. In my previous video, I showed you how to download the ISO images or ISO files for Windows. So if you have not watched it, you can watch my previous video on how to download ISO image. By my next video, I'll show you how to use Rufus and the ISO image that I downloaded previously on my video, showing you how to use this Rufus to create a bootable pen drive. Guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to download Rufus software. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. This video on your screen shows you how to use Rufus to create a bootable pen drive. Peace out.